Hey, we're here at North Lake taking a look at the latest 3320 floor plan home. This is a 3,320 square foot house with all of the craftsman detail that come with Adams homes. The elevation on this home has a hip roof with corbels, shakes, board and batten siding, and the horizontal siding on the body of the house. And it's a really nice combination. Standard windows in the garage door, coach lights, and all the standard craftsman trim. This house has a lot of nice options. It has a covered deck on the back we'll take a look at in a minute. Full front porch on this home. This home's on a crawl space. So you've got brick either side of the garage door, brick on the front porch, and steps going into the front porch. And this floor plan comes with a transom window and side lights. We're doing a lot of paint work on this home, getting it ready for the future buyer. So you'll see the blue tape that buyers put on it when they inspect to make sure it's perfect for them when they move in. This house has a lot of large rooms with big windows, and the dining room in the front is no exception. 2 double windows lets in a lot of light, and this house has the standard brushed nickel chandelier, crown molding, chair rail, and shadow box molding is standard in this neighborhood. And this buyer chose package 1 wood, which provides wood flooring in the dining room and the kitchen and the eating area. Off of the foyer, there's an entryway to the laundry room, which is a huge room with a window. It easily could be an office. Also has obviously room for a sink, washer, dryer. There's a closet and space for a drop zone in the laundry room. And then opposite the laundry room, we have a powder room, half bath, pedestal sink. There's a guest closet, and it leads into the 2-story family room. Comes standard with a ceiling fan, oak handrails going upstairs, and this home has a downstairs master. The kitchen is very large and bright with double windows in the eating area, upgraded cabinets with maple doors, solid maple. And these are gray cabinets with Luna Pearl granite, which is one of our granite choices that's standard in this neighborhood. These buyers chose the optional stainless appliance package with a stainless range, stainless microwave, and dishwasher. And the sink overlooks the backyard and the covered deck. And on the way to the dining room, you have a cased opening and a very large walk-in pantry, shelving all around. This home is on a very large home site in North Lake, where the home sites range from a ½ acre to 3/4 of an acre. And this one doesn't disappoint. It's a very private lot with a stream in the background. And this covered porch is something everybody asks for. It's 16 by 14. Easy to screen in if you choose. And again, the backyard is all trees. You don't really see your back neighbors at all. Beautiful covered porch to hang out on. Let's take a look at the downstairs master. There's a little balcony up above in the loft area. We'll get to that in a minute. But the master is huge in this house. Very large master bedroom suite, 3 windows. All the windows in Northlake have low E glass, so they're energy efficient, and you can see the amount of space in this room. Comes with a standard ceiling fan, and again, they're low E glass windows, vinyl maintenance free, and they tilt in on the bottom for easy cleaning. Let's take a look at the bathroom. This buyer chose the optional shower and soaking tub combination. So they've got a 5-foot soaking tub with a frosted glass window, 4-foot shower with a seat and a door. There is a water closet with a window next to the shower, and behind the door, a full linen closet next to the door leading to your walk-in closet. 36-inch adult height vanity with the standard cultured marble countertop and the standard stainless faucets and brushed nickel light fixtures. And this house has a huge master closet. It goes on and on and on. So a really large downstairs master bedroom, and there's 4 bedrooms upstairs in addition. Let's take a look. All the carpet is standard with upgraded padding in the homes. There's a storage room in the loft area with access to the attic. And then we have a overlook into the family room from the upstairs loft. And there's a second master in this home, a very large bedroom upstairs with big double windows looking over the backyard, right over the covered porch, walk-in closet, and private bath. Has a deep tub, shower. It's an insert style, no grout, no seams to caulk, easy to clean. And we use high efficiency Lennox heating and air conditioning systems with dual zones. So upstairs, the thermostat upstairs, and downstairs, the thermostat in the family room, control each level individually. The front bedroom is nice and bright with a window in the bedroom and a large walk-in closet with its own window. So we've got a nice area here. And then all the closets in this home have lights in them, so they're walk-in closets. Front bedroom, double windows. We do provide lights in the ceiling of every bedroom that doesn't have a ceiling fan, and it's wired for a ceiling fan. So you've got the ability to switch the ceiling fan independently from the light. And there's a walk-in closet in every bedroom. Shared bathroom for the 2 bedrooms in front with, again, similar setup, tall vanities. When you order the upgraded vanities, you get the taller ones in the bathrooms. And this has a huge bedroom with another walk-in closet over the master bathroom suite area. So you've got a walk-in closet with a light, and there is attic access above the master bedroom on one end, and then attic access above the garage on the other. So we've got, again, 3,320 square feet, big loft area. You can put a desk up here, a seating area, a couple chairs, and still have plenty of room for all the bedrooms and bathrooms. So this is our 3320 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath floor plan. Come in and see me.